Great. I don't know what happened before, but my Wi-Fi like disconnected itself. Not sure how that happened. But while we're at it, we got that in. Very satisfying, very speedy nim code. But yeah. Let's continue, I guess. I guess later on I'll just edit it all back together. Yeah. Almost all graphics program, geometric vectors. Yep. 3D plus a homogeneous coordinate for geometry and RGB plus an alpha transparency. For colors. For our purposes, we'll use the same vec3 for colors, locations, direction, offsets, and whatever. It doesn't prevent you from doing something silly, but we'll take the list code route. Sure. Okay. I need some math in here. Type vec3 star equal okay, so it has. Why are you using C arrays? No! Ah, it makes my blood boil whenever I see C arrays. There's no good purpose other than, I don't know, you prefer the syntax. Even though it's like, I don't even know anymore. Why use C arrays, man? Come on. Okay, that's actually a lot of code. It's gonna take a while. Okay, maybe C++ would have been a better choice, but it's fine. So I think nim arrays are how are they defined? Declared. Array size T. Okay. Oh, it's exactly like standard array. You see? It's just standard array is just superior. E. Great naming. 3 volts, right? Size 2, yep, okay. And you just want some nice number functions, okay. Well, with NIM's UFCs, you can basically emulate member functions with like this, with UFCs. So like I went to. Okay, let's get these operators out of the way first. Let's try to get the length. Square root. Where's the square root in? Math. Makes sense. Math. No, it's gonna be a func. Function. Oh yeah, another thing about nim, like another interesting thing they have, I think, is they have effect tracking, which is like another very cool thing. So like you can specifically track what exceptions, you can explicitly say what kind of exceptions the function will raise. It can, and then like if you like if this has something that's like if you don't want something to throw like a IO error, you just don't put it in the raise, and then if you raise an IO error, it will just error out right there. And then I think the effect there's also effect tracking, where it's like some functions have like effects on them, like the example would be like the write function already here. It would expect to have IO effect, and if you declare your function to not have IO effects, then it will error out the moment it does have that. It's pretty cool stuff. And then like I think func is like a shorthand for no side effects. It's like you know, mathematical functions, pure functions, Haskell, whatever, all the cool functional stuff, you know, the pure function. So yeah. It should be preferred because you know pure functions are better when possible. Should be preferred when possible. So length taking a vec3. It returns a return square root of why okay fine return v. Now you see all the stuff just compiling in. I think dim has operator overloading, which is, if I can find it, of course. Oh yes, with the backticks. So func backtick like that. V vec3. Return the float. No wait. Yeah. Return v dot e. I search no. I don't need you right now. Length squared would be okay. I think that was a square operator here, right? Cube root, square root. Let's just do that then. Man, and another thing about nim that's like, it's like I don't even know what this counts as anymore. It's not even UCFs. Like, you can just call this is a function call. Like, okay, this is UCFs where you put the first argument in front. Okay, that's UFCs. That's normal. But then you can. I don't even know how the parser does this. It's like supposed to be like they somehow solve the ambiguity or something. But this can somehow be identified as a function call. It can. So it flows very nicely. It's like v's length squared without the parent. It's almost like a. It's like the adjective of v. You know, you can use it like naturally like that adjectives over here. I'm gonna export these. Okay. Why is there so many operators? Do you really need all this X, Y, Z? Just call it X, Y, Z then. Why make it an array? Yeah, like. I think that's better names. I'm gonna do that. Case of 0 just sure. Okay. That should be fine then. I don't know why you would want to make it an array when you could just already have these XYZs. Let me just import it so I can test if it compiles. Crap. Oh, not all the cases are else. Well, it's supposed to be a pure function, so like else. Is there like an outer range error? Out of range. That's odd. There should be a over. Is there like a range error? Yes, there is. Oh, range defect. But like, is this all the text there are? Division by 0, EOF, exceptions declared here. What the heck? What do I even warn for this? They're just using assert.